make some slippers, and we're gonna make it. I have a fabric. It's a cow fabric, and I love it. And I make it slippers today. Okay, let's get started. De grondlijn van je feet is take a cardboard, take a pen, and line it over the size of your feet. Now you have the size of what I draw on my cardboard, the size of my feet, and now I'm gonna cut it out with the scissors, make the mold out of it. Now we have, I did another one also. We have the left feet and the right feet. I have here canvas. Okay. It's a really hard and thick material. What we're gonna do is we're gonna measure it out, and we're gonna needle it because we want it under and inside. This should be okay. I'm gonna cut it out a little bit more. Just like this one, and we're gonna do the same on the other sides of the feet. What you hear in the background is my cat. And do the same that we done before. Cut it out. With extra material, you can use it if you made one wrong move or wrong cut. You can also use this as extra. And do with the pencil, I'm drawing from my cardboard over my material here, because we're gonna cut it out, the material. You must cut out 1 centimeter above your lining, because we're gonna need it. We're gonna fold it over. This should be the insides. just like this. This is my drawing, and one side 1 centimeters off the lining, because we're going to do this. If we have this the inside, cannot see it, you can also use it as just like this. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna glue this up. Again, we're gonna fold it up just like this, and we have done the downsize. Okay, this one. I'm gonna do the same and another one, and I'll make also the inside from just for material, but you not need it. 1 centimeter is off, dus you can just cut out the drawing itself. That be the inside, just like this, without the drawing. Gluing up. Okay, I'll be back. This is the end of the piece. I'm gluing. Now you can see I glued up. This is back side. Okay. Look out, because the glue is very hot. Don't use it without parents watching. Don't use it by children. Only use it wisely, because it's very hot. You can burn your hands. Okay, finishing touches. Now you can see this inside and this outside. Okay, we're gonna do the same on the other side of my feet. I'm drawing is, and I'll be back. The upside. We're gonna cut this out. I'm gonna use it on both sides of my feet. This should come just like this. Get finished. It should be just like this. Okay. Look at. I'm gonna do the insides just like this material, because we're gonna get a little bit harder, and then this is my outside. I have the cow, want to just like the cow, and gonna do that the outside. Template in front. This is my template. I cut it out in canvas, and now I'm cutting out in the front. This, we're gonna point this out together. And we're gonna cut it out. Or you can do, gonna sew it up, and you're ready. I sew this up the front, just like this. And what I'm gonna do is now I'm waiting for my hot glue gun. This is a little bit harsh here. This what I made is this for I folded two materials together and I sew it up. I wanna glue this up just like here on the heel, and later I'm gonna glue this completely up, and then we have down and up sides, and I do it with a hand, fold it down with the bead. Okay, stick it up with the sewing machine, just like this. Now we have one. Now we're gonna work this off with the B-band, and okay. This is the one. Slippers, and this is the one that I've made. Very cool. And that's another one that we made. So very cool. Okay, I have very fun, and I see you next video. Don't forget to subscribe downstairs, and thumbs up. See you next video. Bye.